guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys and with my awesome assistant,
I'm Tubey.
Can you say hello, I'm Tubey?
Hello, I'm Tubey.
Hey guys, today we are playing with Mighty Beanz. Big thank you to Moose Toys for sending us 2 Mighty Beanz. They sent us this awesome bean with 8 beans inside, and then we have the little bean with 2 beans inside. Let's get started and open them up and add them to our current collection. As you can see, we have so many Mighty Beanz, and I'm rocking our Rapple today. I turned it off because it wanted to go to sleep, but it's so super cute. Let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tubey Toys. Here's the checklist. We really want to get those Influencer Beanz. Yeah. There they are. Look, you can get Sandaroo Kids Bean, Fizzy Toy Bean, Toy Review Toys Bean, SwirlC Bean, and Squirrel Stampede Bean. So super cool. And there's even these golden beans. They have Golden Pirate and Golden Rich Beans. Oh, and even the limited edition ones, the Golden Heroes. Super cool.
Are the bottom ones the Golden Heroes?
Yes, they are. And they have all different games. So let's open it up. Here's a tilt card to play, and there is the target. And this is what you have to do before you open. You have to read this. So it says, remove all packaging, slam the bean pod, see it grow and burst. Ooh, this one's worth 70 points, and we have the Sea Lion Mighty Bean. How cute.
I don't have that one.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, what a cutie. All right. Go ahead, get to smashing.
Alright, here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think I need another one.
Go ahead, smash it again. Oh my gosh. Let me try. Oh wait, here it goes. Gosh, look. Whoa, which one do we get? Oh my gosh, this one it's a nurse with its tongue sticking out. That's so cool.
Yeah.
All of our Mighty Beanz are falling off the table. Who did we get? Okay, let's see our first one.
Oh,
we don't have this one.
It's a basketball player.
Ah, yeah, you're right. And his name is Basketballer Mighty Bean.
And he works 10 points.
Oh my gosh, he is only worth 10 points. He's only worth 10 Mighty Beanz. This one's Barber Mighty Bean. Ooh.
He's 12 points.
120 points, actually. So the higher the points, the better.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's worth 70 points, and this is Eagle Mighty Bean. I think we have that one already.
We have that.
Ooh, who's this one? This one is... Ooh, it's Karate Mighty Bean. He's worth 40 points. Oh my gosh, is this an astronaut? Yes, it's the astronaut Mighty Bean. He's worth 10 points. Cool. 2 more to go. Oh my gosh, this one has boogies coming out of his nose. Is he cold? It's Snotty Mighty Bean. And he's worth 60 points. Oh my gosh, we got a mermaid.
Yeah.
It's a new one. It's Mermaid Mighty Bean, worth 150 points. And you know, you could store your Mighty Beanz inside this container too. So you can take it with you wherever you want and you could play with your Mighty Beanz.
Yeah, so now...
Okay, now we have this little pack left. So super cute. Yeah. Let's see who's inside.
You might get a different one.
Well, it looks like we got a duplicate of the container. That's okay.
Yeah.
I like these containers because you could play Mighty Beanz with them too. If you keep your Mighty Beanz inside, because you can store them, they actually can act as really big Mighty Beanz.
Oh, and it could really roll? Yeah,
because you can roll them down like slides and stuff.
No, we don't have this one.
Oh yeah, we do. It's just it's mixed up. Oh. Okay, let's see who we got.
It might be a different one.
Ooh, okay, we have... Wow, this is Secret Agent Mighty Bean.
We have him.
We do? He's so funny. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And last but not least, oh no, which one did we get?
Another one.
Another eagle?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So we actually got 4 doubles.
We have so many eagles. Why don't we get to playing? We're gonna play Butchie Bean. So basically the object of the game is to get to the center of the bullseye. Whoever's beans gets closest wins. You ready?
Yeah. Okay,
you go first. Have it walk over. Make sure you get to that bullseye. And you gotta keep it where it lands, okay? Okay. Because you could knock out your opponent's bean. On your mark, get set, go! Ooh, it's a little too tough. Oh wait, oh my gosh! Oh, it rolled right back to you. Okay, my turn. Look, They can walk. Look how many there are.
We have so much Mighty Beanz.
So cool.
We could do like an epic show off with them in another video. Just show a whole collection of Mighty Beanz.
Oh, that's a good idea. So we'll do a big collection video. We'll open up some more.
Yeah. On the end of the collection video, we'll open up some more ants for our collection. Once we get some more because we don't have any more. Guys, I just found a container and it could hold 2 Mighty Beanz, but it's garbage.
Ready? Let's make them walk. Ready? Go. Oh. Here, watch this.
Let's use these 2.
Ready? Ah!
See. Oh, I'm playing 2 Mighty Beanz. Not to fall for A, not to fall.
Let's make them race.
The Mighty Beanz.
Ah! Oh my gosh, guys. All right, don't forget to like this video, and we hope you have like the most bean-tastic day.
Yeah.
Woo!
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.